Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your Steam Deck when you're in the desktop mode. And this is actually really easy, so if you have it connected to different monitors and you want to change the resolution, well, let's left click on here and open up the menus for it. So press the L2 button and you'll get the screen. And then we can go to configure display settings. So it's a little bit difficult to go ahead and press this. So let's go over to the trackpad, press it, and press R2 on it, and then it'll open up this page, and then you can see the display configuration right here, and then we have the resolution 800 by 1280, and then the orientation, so we can flip the screen around, so left, right, up, down. Refresh rate is 90 Hertz, and then we should be able to just change this here. So you can look at all these different options, and then you got the global scaling. You can increase the actual icons on the screen if you want to make those a little bit larger. So my screen is locked in at a specific rate here just because I'm using the Steam Deck. So it's just going to display at this. But if you have a connected monitor or a TV or something like that, you should be able to change it with a slider there. Then we can go down to like the night color. We can change the different gamma, blue, right, everything here. And then if we want to change this on, we can always put this on. So you got a blue light filter. So just go to the display configuration, and I have no connected monitor, but hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.